advancing Karnataka's clean energy transition towards a carbon-neutral future. Strengthened India-Sweden collaboration under the Innovation Accelerator program. As climate risks intensify and global energy systems face mounting pressure, accelerating the shift towards clean and resilient technologies has become an urgent global imperative. In this context, the India-Sweden Innovations Accelerator (ISIA) program continues to play a pivotal role in fostering cross-border collaboration and scaling sustainable solutions. Since its launch in 2012, the ISIA program has successfully introduced more than 75 leading Swedish cleantech companies to the Indian market. Over the years, the initiative has enabled strategic partnerships, technology transfers, and pilot projects that support India's transition to a low-carbon and energy-efficient future. Now, in its 13th edition, the 2025 cohort features 9 cutting-edge Swedish companies visiting India from 18 to 25 November 2025. The delegation will engage with key industry stakeholders, government agencies, and technology partners in Karnataka, further strengthening bilateral cooperation in clean energy, smart mobility, waste-to-energy, and climate-resilient innovations. The workshop opened with an insightful and inspiring welcome address by Dr. Chandrashekar Hariharan, immediate past chairman, IGBC Bangalore chapter and trustee, AltTech Foundation. He emphasized the need for accelerating Karnataka's clean energy transition through scalable technologies and industry-academia collaboration. Delivering the theme address, Mr. Pawan Tahlani, Head of Business Sweden, New Delhi, highlighted the shared vision between India and Sweden for a greener, more sustainable future. He noted that both nations are aligned in their commitment to innovation-led growth, clean energy transformation, and long-term climate action. Through continued partnership under the ISIA platform, India and Sweden aim to co-create impactful solutions that can support Karnataka's journey towards achieving a carbon-neutral future.
And as I mentioned during the inaugural session of this workshop, we see that it's time for Sweden. And what we mean by that is that it's actually time for India. And it's time for Sweden to be part of India's growth journey, which is impressive and remarkable. And Sweden has a lot of impressive technology also in the cleantech sphere, many of the companies that are here today. And we believe that together our two countries can achieve a lot and that we could be an excellent partner in India's journey. We have already over 280 Swedish companies here, many well-known brands like Volvo Group, we have IKEA, ABB, AstraZeneca, Atlas Copco, pretty much all our big brands are already here. And in light of the ongoing EU-India free trade negotiations with the strong political commitment from both sides to conclude an agreement within the very near future, we hope to see very soon a second wave of Swedish companies coming to India after the free trade agreement has been concluded. And what we're looking at there is the small and medium-sized enterprises for which a free trade agreement might be the thing that will make them take the decision to enter a new market and to come here. And Sweden has a very long cooperation with India. I think Pawan might know better, but I think Ericsson came here already in 1904.
1903,
yes. And now, over 120 years later, we have so many companies investing in India, employing, and hopefully maybe in the future also exporting from India as India turns into a global manufacturing hub.
Neil, would you like to add something?
I think today's workshop
continue up until at least 2040, if that's an optimistic view that we take on it. India is today the 4th power when it comes to GDP. However, it needs, I wouldn't say technology as much as structured solutions which will enable both water efficiency and resource efficiency on energy. The Swedish Energy Agency is one of them. Although they are small, they have leveraged scale in a way that we can utilize it in India in ways that will enlarge the green footprint for the country. How do you balance, therefore, this growth of GDP along with what we can do on ecological efficiency is, I think, the central challenge before India as we walk toward 2070, which the Prime Minister has said is the goal for net zero, not just energy, but net zero as a target. I think I'll stop there.
Yeah.
So my name is Rahul. I am heading Business Development Department for Maxstrom, Swedish company. And here along with me, we have CEO of Maxstrom, Mr. Jonas Listenius. So we work with hydropower. We have a technology invented by Maxstrom in which we can remove 80 to 60% of the problem within generators automatically, autonomously in real time. So that's our solution. We are currently continuing our relationship with the existing major hydropower players, planning to have a pilot project in India.
Sir, what is the target that you are having to bring down the cost?
So the plan is eventually we will be going for a subsidiary in India. So what we are aiming for is a sustainable business within India. And even though we are a Swedish company, we will coming down to India, trying to serve the hydropower market from India itself.
A lot of different technologies that could be applied in India. We represent the Swedish Energy Agency, so we look at energy technologies, and that's all from energy efficiency to production and transmission in renewable energy. I think energy efficiency is something that Sweden has been very successful in, so I think that's something that could be of strong benefits to India as well. And this is Edgar. He's also the program manager for this program, so perhaps he has something to add on this as well.